Some sincere apologies for being late, but like my name is Muneeb Maayr and I'm the founder for Bykea. It's a motorcycle-based app.
Okay. Muneeb, would you like to share your experiences of what you have been doing with your company?
So, so I think touching on a couple of points, one, I'll try and address. Forget about my company. I don't want to try and sell my company. If you find utility in it, you'll find it. Otherwise, there's no need for me to pitch it. But I think in terms of basically, Chinese investors coming in, Ant Financial coming in, and perhaps Alibaba coming in, I think that's fantastic news for Pakistan. I say that not facetiously. I say that primarily because we are always trying to speak to investors, और वो पहली चीज़ पूछते हैं कि और कोई बाहर से आया है, right? So the only people we can actually call out to and say, oh yeah, actually Rocket Internet's put in money, CDC's put in money. But then the minute we say Ant Financial's put in money, Asian investors start getting interested because they know nothing about Pakistan, right? For them, it's validation that, hey, if Ant or Alibaba or one of these guys is actually plugging in money, perhaps the time for us to put a tad bit of money into Pakistan may just start now. So I think that's fantastic news in general for the ecosystem. And I think we need to stop being paranoid कि जी Alibaba आ गया तो e-commerce सारा खा जाएगा. No, I mean, SoftBank ने Paytm में बेइंतहा पैसे डाल दिए इंडिया में, उससे क्या दूसरे सारे मर गए? The same with e-commerce. I mean, I think the opportunity is really big, and it's really who executes better, and in certain niches. So I'll touch on the business I'm in. I'm in a business where I'm competing against the most funded startup in the world and the most highly funded startup in the Middle East. So as a third person, आप कहोगे पागल हो गए हो, right? But they're not necessarily great at stuff. They can throw a lot of money at stuff, sure, but you've got to figure out what they're not good at and try and work on that. So I don't think we should be paranoid. I think we should be excited. मैं एक छोटा सा इस पे पॉइंट ऐड कर लूँ क्योंकि यहाँ सारी फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज और बैंकिंग कम्युनिटी बैठी हुई है. आप लोगों को जागना होगा. हाँ. If you don't wake up and support basically local companies, some international guy is going to come up and eat your pie, and it's going to happen before you know it.
That's true.
एक तो मैं डेटा पॉइंट शेयर करना चाहता हूँ just before we close this up, right? मैं कल ही एक वीडियो देख रहा था जिसमें मैंने सुना कि इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने $10 billion एलोकेट किए हैं स्टार्टअप्स के लिए. इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने. चाइनीज गवर्नमेंट ने $30 to $40 billion एलोकेट किए हैं. तो अगर हुकूमत पाकिस्तान सो रही है तो क्या फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस भी सो रहे हैं?